Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Clone Engine 23. Lightsabers, lightsaber pikes. Yes, this is a long shape of lightsabers, and this is I created this for Senya Chiral. I got this from Imperial Guard weapon that I cut on the tip and added this, and I colored with marker. Look, and this is the little bit more long than the short one. Also, this is from some kind of weapon. Mostly I got this type of handle for the lightsaber I got from Empire Dynasty China weapon, which is it has a unique motif of weapon that's great for Old Republic era or ancient lightsaber. Yes, that's kind of great for custom purpose. What do you think, guys, about this my lightsaber Pikes shape collection? Yes, I only got custom 2 for this type of lightsaber. Please comment, guys, please comment. What do you think? Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many great idea about customing minifigures. Yes, mostly for Star Wars, Clone Wars. Don't forget to visit my other channel, As It Combat. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's all. See you on my next video. Always, guys, stay safe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.